Yeah, okay. And welcome to my channel. Always positive Ram, and I'm new to the YouTube, and I need all your support and help. Okay, to just grow. And here a new guest is there, right? Called Miss Ruby Ma'am. Okay, yeah, welcome Ruby Ma'am to our channel.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me here. I'm content. I'm delighted. Now I'm having conversation with you, so I'm content. Yes. So first of all, how are you?
Yeah, I'm just great, and I'm terrific. Yeah, yeah. Last week, from last 10 days, I was not keeping well. I was having a cold, cough, and fever, and because of that, I couldn't upload a single video. Because yeah, there was lots of disturbance because of cough and all. So I was not able to communicate. So yeah, again from last few days, I've started again.
And nowadays, you are okay now?
Yeah, yeah, I'm absolutely fit and fine, fit as fitting.
Okay,
What
okay.
about
Yeah,
you?
weather is getting changing, so maybe that's the reason.
Pardon?
Weather is getting changing, so maybe that's the
Yeah, yeah,
reason.
continuously. As I'm right now, I'm in Maharashtra, Kalyan, and here sometimes early in the morning it's kind of a foggy kind of thing. In the afternoon, it's really hot, and in the evening it's raining. So continuously in a day, only three cycles are there. So because of that, no, lots of issues are happening. I'm getting exhausted in the afternoon, and because of that, I had fever and all. But right now, I'm absolutely okay. What about you? Where are you from?
Yeah, yeah. I'm from UP and I live in Gaziabad. Let me introduce myself proper. Yeah. So you know that
Yeah.
my name. Yeah. My name is Ruby Charasia and I'm speaking to you from Gaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done post graduation in political science and in addition, I have bachelor of education as well. And comes to my
Okay.
hobby, I love reading books. And apart from that, I love to talk to strangers from diverse culture, diverse background, and diverse profession too. Yeah, and besides that, I have a YouTube channel where I post some videos regarding spoken English so I can learn this language very flawlessly because I'm a passionate learner. Yeah, that's all about from my side.
So, what's your channel's name?
My channel name is Reborn Resilient Ruby.
Pardon? I think there's some network issue. Can you repeat it again?
One second, one second. Maybe are you facing some problem? Now,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So you are asking about my channel name. So my channel name is Reborn Resilient Ruby. Again,
Okay.
any problem?
Yeah, yeah. Your even your view is also not that clear. Earlier it was clear. Yeah,
There's some network issue.
yeah. From my side, I am having a broadband connection, so I don't know. It might be from your side only.
Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi. I don't know what is happening.
Okay. No, it's okay. Now it's clear. It's completely clear with audible and visible.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So,
Everything is
yeah, yeah, yeah. If you ask me about my introduction, then actually my name is Ramkrishna Patel, and I'm from Maharashtra, Kalyan. I'm talking from Kalyan city, and I'm born in Karnataka and brought up in Maharashtra. So I'm also holding a bachelor's degree. So right now I'm just doing so many other things, and some of the things are working, some of the things are not working. So right now I can't disclose everything. So I have just started this YouTube channel also.
okay.
Yeah, side by side I'm just posting, trying to post a video every day. Okay, so that I can just improve my communication skills. From last few years, I'm trying to communicate more, but I was not getting the opportunity to talk with the people. But I was watching the videos, okay, of some of the YouTubers. Okay, they were just putting all the videos of conversation and all, and because of that, I was also getting motivated, and I have also started doing the same thing. Okay, so let's see. Day by day, I want to improve myself. That is my first agenda.
Yeah, yes, yes. Of course, without practicing how it's possible, we can improve. And you are
Yeah,
learning,
yeah.
or maybe you are passionate learner. You want to learn this language, I think.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I'm quite passionate and I'm really obsessed, okay, about English because I just tried so many times. Whenever I used to start for 1 month, 2 months, and then again just giving up. Every time it happens, right? Initially, you get motivated and you have that passion, energy. and after a few months, okay, you just lose it. But this time, okay, I have decided that no, I have to anyhow I have to become more and more fluent so that I can just talk with people from this country, from foreign countries, right? Yeah, in future, I would like to have podcasts also with people. Okay, for all those things, you need really good communication, right? So yeah, those goals are there. Let's see how everything will end. I don't know.
Yeah, if you have a desire, so you will definitely achieve. If you have a strong desire, you will definitely achieve. And you have recently start your journey. I mean, restart your journey.
Yes, yes.
You are saying that I'm a passionate learner. So what is the reason behind that? I mean, there is some reason. Now, so what is the reason behind that? You have started your journey. I mean,
Yeah,
restart.
yeah, because I'm having fear from last so many years, right? Whenever there is lots of hesitation is there, right? Fear is there, right? While just speaking with people, right? Yeah, I'm kind of introvert kind of person, right? I'm not an extrovert person, and because of that, no, that fear is already kept on building every time. So this Skype or when I just try to talk with people, this Skype is also giving me an opportunity to talk with people and become an extrovert person, right? Yeah, so that hesitation, that fear is just disappearing, right? I want to just destroy that fear completely, and I also want to enjoy the way people just speak English, and because English is power, right? Yeah, when you just start speaking in English, you become more motivated and more powerful. You understand more things, right? You can just talk with people all around the world. You can understand their culture, okay, the way they just behave, everything, right? Whatever it will just give you really the knowledge is huge, right? And wherever you go in any other country, if you go, right, you will find people where you can just speak with them in English, right? And so yeah, right now I can speak Marathi or Kannada, right? But if you just go to America, you won't be easily able to just find people who speak your language, right? But English, you will find people who speak English very easily there, right? In
Right.
any other country. So that is
Yeah.
really helpful, right, to communicate, to understand that culture.
Yeah. If you know about English, so we can easily manage the whole thing
So
because if,
yeah, so I would like to ask the same question, right?
yeah, you
Hello.
can ask. Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah. So yeah, would you like to share your English speaking journey? Right? How did you just come to this platform and you started uploading your YouTube videos? Right? What motivated you?
Yeah. That's really amazing question. Of course, I would definitely explain. So reason is that now I was also an introvert kind of person. Like if I compare myself 1 year ago, reason was very simple because nowadays this language play very crucial role for professional life. I want to become
Mm-hmm.
a teacher. I want to see my career in teaching field. So last year I tried in teaching field and I didn't get selected. And so I was very
Okay.
frustrated. I have a degree just because of this language. No one give
Mm-hmm.
me respect. So I thought that
Okay.
anyhow, or I want to learn this language, and then future I will try to do job in a like a reputed college or reputed school, whatever. But nowadays my interest is become like by developed towards learning. So I thought that first of all I take good command over this language, and here I'm learning this language, and at the same time I'm learning so many new things. Like I'm talking with you is also a big deal for me. Earlier days, I used to operate talking to strangers when I was in my college and in school. But nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
I feel very content when I talk to
Okay.
strangers. I guess
Mm.
it is part of my life. If I don't talk to any stranger, so that day I feel empty. I'm learning this language and as well as culture and which kinds of thought process people have. So yeah,
Okay.
there is a
So
big deal for me. Hmm.
yeah. So with how many people do you just talk every day?
Only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Only just for uploading this video or any other purpose?
Yeah, and there is a platform called Fluency. Sometimes I use
Okay.
that platform.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because quite challenging some days. Nowadays I'm not quite consistent. Earlier day I just used to talk to like 2 to 3 co-learner, but nowadays I talk only one co-learner. Yeah, because I'm
Okay.
also for something, and both are really important. My like a professional life and this language both are really important, and I don't
Yes.
want to lose
Definitely.
something. So that's why
Yes.
anyhow
Definitely.
Only one co-learner. It's more than enough. And I just watch some videos and listen some videos and some podcasts, interviews, like a consumption. And yeah, I love to read books. Sometimes I read books. Yeah.
Okay. So since how many months, okay, are you uploading this video?
It has been approx 1 year. It has been 1 year. Last year, I started my YouTube channel. At the same time, I started my journey, spoken journey. Yeah.
So is your channel got monetized now?
Yeah. My channel has monetized. Yeah. Recently,
Okay. Congratulations for that.
thank you so much. Last month,
Yeah.
on my
Okay.
birthday, I received that envelope.
Okay. Wow.
And that day, yeah, on my birthday. Yeah.
Yeah, before that, you might have just gone through lots of frustration, right? Because from last 1 year, you are just trying and uploading videos. Like I'm new and I'm also having lots of frustration sometimes because just getting people to talk, right? Finding people, sometimes it becomes very difficult, right? And yeah, while preparing the setup and everything, right? Although, okay, I'm not having a studio or something, but yeah, a small curtain is just behind and small ring light I have used, right? That is how, okay, I'm just slowly growing, but still lots of hesitation is there, lots of fear is there. What kind of questions people will ask and how I will respond, what people will say. All those things really make me nervous sometimes, right? Sometimes I'm not able to formulate the question also, right? So that is all those things really happen. So same things, you might have also just gone through the same scenarios.
Still, I'm facing the same problem if I connect with any like a phenomenal speaker or learner. So I feel like I hesitate how I can just frame my ideas, frame my sentence structure. I forget most of the
Mhm.
time. Still, it's happening with
Okay.
me. Sometimes most of the time, because nowadays I'm not quite consistent. Something is happening in my life, and some family problem is also going on. But I still, I have just continue. I am just trying to continue my journey. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and you talked about that you like to read books, right? So what kind of books, okay, do you prefer?
Yeah, I love to read self-help book and story book. These days,
Okay,
there's a book called Atomic Habits, written by James
okay,
Clear. Nowadays,
yeah,
again, I'm
yeah,
reading a book. When I started my journey, that time I just purchased that book, and I thought that it was quite difficult. But
mhm,
nowadays, I can easily understand. So recently, I
okay,
should restart that book. Yeah, it's a
okay.
self.
How many pages do you read every day?
Not pages, it's depend on my mood. if i feel
Okay,
like
okay,
if I feel like anxiety and whatever, and I feel like I have to read this, it's depend on my mind as well as my mood. Whenever I feel, I just pick my book and try to read like 2 pages,
okay.
3 pages, 5 pages, sometimes 10 pages, 20 pages. It depends on my mood.
So atomic habits is nothing but like small, tiny habits, right? Adding into your regular life, day-to-day life, right? So have you added any single habit or something? Can you just give me some examples on that?
Of course. Yeah. After reading, still I'm reading this book, but second time. After reading this book, I incorporated in my life, yoga, meditation. And last, I can say 4 months, 3 to 4 months. Now I'm quite consistent. Every day I have
Okay.
to do yoga at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes in the morning. And morning walk is also these two things. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm to manage my time, how I can manage my time, how I just taking care of myself, my health. Because nowadays, a lot of people they are taking granted, especially health. And I have already
Yeah.
faced a problem like last year. So I thought that
Okay.
anyhow, I'm just taking care of my health. Because
So
health
you have
is,
become more health conscious person. Okay, after just reading that book, is it like that?
you can say. And I love,
Okay. So
I
along with yoga, do you follow any diet or something?
no diet, is not diet, only yoga. Some like
Only
a
yoga. Okay.
meditation and morning walk. And I just add in like earlier day I just used to wake up like 7:30, but now like 6:30, after 6, 5:30. Just I change my schedule. I have to wake up and then I
Okay.
have to do this thing, I have to do that thing. I'm trying to managing my time, schedule my time, how I can just manage. Because nowadays my life has become horse posh, like hustle and bustle is going on. So I'm trying to
Right.
manage time and in a well way, like to-do list, how I can manage in a well way. I'm trying, but it's quite challenging for me. How
Yeah, yeah.
my time, because time is very, very important, and I don't know about other person, but I don't know how I can manage my time.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely, the time is very limited, and just to manage it's really a really hefty task, right? It's very difficult, right? If you are just doing multitasking, it becomes very
You are
difficult.
doing, yeah, I am asking that how do you manage your time, because you are doing a lot of things, and in your plate is totally full. I think you are doing a lot of things at the same time. So how do you manage your time?
Yeah, even for me also, time is very limited, and it's very difficult sometimes, right? Because I'm new to this YouTube also, and I'm learning this editing, right? Just how to talk with people, learning just fighting with my fear and hesitation, so many things, right? And it's become very difficult, right, to manage everything, right? Earlier, I also used to just get up very late, but nowadays I'm also trying to just get up early, right, to manage my time, right, to talk with more people, right, to go have just to change myself, okay, to improve my fluency and all, right. So it's very difficult to manage.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's quite challenging, but yeah, we will definitely manage our time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, actually, we are just running out of out of our time. Okay, and thanks for just giving me your valuable time, Ruby.
Yeah. It was really amazing conversation with you. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Same
bye.
here. Yeah,
Take
it was
care.
really wonderful conversation. Yeah, same here. Yeah, bye.